Jessica Renee, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this hairstyle, these big Bantu knots. So if you want to see how I got this look, just keep on watching. Okay, so I used the expression hair in 84 inches, but I ended up cutting it, so I only used one pack. And here I'm showing you how I parted the back of my hair. I have 3 rows, and in one row I have 2, and then the third row I have 3, and then the top row I have 2 again. So here I'm just showing you how I sectioned off the front. The front I have 5 Bantu knots, so I had 1 in the middle and then 2 on each side. And here I'm going to be using the elastic rubber bands to put my hair in ponytails using the Shine and Jam. So I'm just going to be brushing that over each part and then putting the bands on my hair. And I'm also taking out the baby hairs that I want. So if you guys do this step, if you don't want baby hairs, that's fine. But if you do, make sure you don't add your baby hairs into the elastic bands during this step. Okay, so now that I separated all of the sections, I'm going to be showing you guys how I do the actual Bantu knots. So that's the piece of hair that I'm going to be using for the Bantu knot. And basically, I'm going to be acting as if I'm doing a box braid and braiding my hair. So I'm using my real hair as the third piece in the braid. So I'm going to braid like 2 or 3 times. And then you're going to see me separate my real hair into 2 sections. And then I'm going to twist. So I'm adding my real hair to one section of the braiding hair and my other piece of real hair to the other section of braiding hair, and I'm going to twist. So I'm going to be doing that to each Bantu knot. So now that the twist is done, I'm going to twist the hair in the way that I did the twist, and I'm going to wrap it around itself while actually twisting it. But make sure that you're twisting the hair in the way that you twisted it, because if you twist it the opposite way, then it will unravel. And I played around with the Bantu knots until I got it the way I wanted it to look. I kind of wanted my Bantu knots to be fuller. So I redid this one, just like retwisted it around. And then afterwards, I put an elastic band on it to secure it. enjoyed it. All the products that I use will be listed in the description box down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!